Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In front of me I have Honor Watch 6 and in today's video I'm going to show you how to change the watch face on this watch. So let's get started. If you want to change the watch face on your watch, first you will need to wake up the screen on it. So press the crown button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can press and hold on the current watch face to open the watch face menu. And here you can scroll through the list of watch faces, look for something you would like to use, and then you can tap on it to select it and apply it. You can also customize some of the watch faces. They have this setting icon under them and you can tap on it. And this allows you to change the style, for example. And that's about all for this one. Some of them might have some different options to change. So I'm gonna tap on it or press the crown button. Let's see. Yeah, crown button is good enough. And then tap on it to apply it like this. You can also change the watch face by using the phone application on the phone that is paired with your watch. So if you grab the phone that is paired with your watch, zoom out the camera a bit so you can see the whole screen of the phone. Okay. And on the phone that is paired with our watch, we can open the Honor Health application. In the app, you will see health page. We can tap on device, and here you should see your Honor Watch 6 selected. And here, as you can see, we have the category called My Watch Face. There should be more watch faces on this list. For some reason, it shows only the video one and the gallery one, which is kind of weird. But we can always tap on recommended watch faces, tap on more. And here you have like this watch face store, and you can download additional watch faces on your watch. So you can tap on one and tap on download, and we'll install and apply. Like this. And now if you go to the My Watch Faces, the watch face will appear right here. And to change it, you simply tap on one of the watch faces and tap on apply to change it. Okay. Or set as current watch face basically button. And the watch face will be applied automatically. And basically that's how you change the watch face on this watch. So if you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.